break down. Yes. Why did I do that? Because you can't tell me that you are against what's the name of this guy? Adeyinka grandson. All of us were shouting, jail him. And go back and compare the hate speech of Adeyinka grandson and bring it to compare with Nnamdi Kanu's own. Which one do you think is more brutal? Who do you think that deserves to be in jail? Why is our people this evil? So when it comes to Fulani people, every time Fulani, and the governor of Anambra State, my governor, the government that I supported so much, have come out to tell you that 99% of people that they caught kidnapping are Igbos, but he's
Ebubago that is kidnapping.
Let someone remember that. Look, I know when it comes to security in Anambra State, ask them. They will tell you. You can't tell me what is going on when it comes to security in Imo State. You can't tell me, oh, this is what is going on. I will tell you and go and verify. Look, 99.9% of kidnappers, rapists, pedophiles we have in the Igbo land are all Igbo, and they are in this Simon and a few of this Kano. Then the remaining one are ordinary criminals from the same Igbo and few people from outside Igbo land.
Wait, please, can you run that maths again? Because
take it again. 99.9% of rapists we have back home, kidnappers we have, car hijackers we have, pedophiles we have, they are all Igbos, and they are struggling people with Isi Kano on profile picture. In fact, Isi Simon on profile picture with few Ndisi Nande Kano.
Wow.
Then the remaining, look, I'm coming. And the remaining one are just ordinary criminals from different part of Igbo land. They are the same Igbo people with few, just tiny number of people from outside Igbo land. That's just the fact.
Okay,
I'm coming. Since this year, I can assure you that, okay, let me take it from last year. I can assure you that Operation Udogachi, if you go by the statistics, I can assure you that they never arrest more than 2 Fulani people. They never arrest, and I know sure self they arrest any Fulani person. It's always, look, my brother, let me tell you, it's all easy. I'm coming now. Tell me one thing you can boldly say that Nnamdi Kanu have achieved for over 12 years. If not putting fear in people, making Southeast ungovernable, inventing all manner of crime. Today, people roast human flesh and eat. If you are into security, you will agree with me that people are eating human flesh in search of diabolic power. People are killing their own brothers. Now, if you have problem with your brother, you will just go and call struggling people with Ndisi Kano and Ndisi Simon Eba, and they will come and kill you. Somebody like me, if you go home, you have to guide yourself with more than 20 to 30 security personnel because of Ndisi Kano and Ndisi Simon Eba. And when you speak the truth, everybody will hate you. Oh, but you are part of them. Yes, I accept and I apologize for that. It's a 10 wasted years. And I vow that I will never forgive myself for doing that. Because after that 10 years that I spent there, tell me one thing we achieved. Nothing. The only thing that I can boldly say, we achieved is people dying untimely, sending people to their early grave, and destroying our place, destroying a place that we can't even review, and setting our place several years backward.
All right, welcome back to my channel. I noticed that the owner of the platform have stopped sending notification to many people. Here on my phone, I did not receive any notification, so it is part of it, and we will move. I'm not gonna. That's why I play this message just while waiting for you to receive notification. But I can see that some of you have joined. Franco Konkwa, I see you. I see you, my sister. You're welcome. You're welcome. And we have Mercy. Akia TV. Is it? I hope I pronounce your name well. And Evans Ike is here with us. Please, it is now your duty to help me push the video out there so that others will get to watch it. All right. And how to do that is by liking the video and share it to many platforms of your choice. So having noticed that the owner of the platform did not send notification to this video, I think it is not. It will be nice for me to share it myself. So just give me a moment. Let me share the video first. Then before we go straight to the message I have. All right.
The governor of Anambra, our place several years backward, and somebody will come on space and say, Nnamdi Kanu is a prisoner of culture. Look at this one called Nikki or what? Because of monetization, she don't even care to share a devil and confess that devil is now a savior. Because of monetization, it's not as if they don't know what is going on. I was the person that brought her face page down. Yes. Why did I do that? Because you can't tell me that you are against what's the name of this guy? Adeyinka grandson. All of us were shouting, jail him. And go back and compare the hate speech of Adeyinka grandson and bring it to compare with Nnamdi Kanu's own. Which one do you think is more brutal? Who do you think that deserves to be in jail? Why are we so? Why is our people this evil? Oh, when it comes to Fulani people, every time Fulani. And the governor of Anambra State, my governor, the government that I supported so much, have come out to tell you that 99% of people that they caught kidnapping are Igbos, but he's a Bubago. Let someone remember. Look, I know when it comes to security in Anambra State, ask them. They will tell you. You can't tell me what is going on when it comes to security in Imo State. You can't tell me, this is what is going on. I will tell you and go and verify. Look, 99.9% of kidnappers, rapists, pedophiles we have in the Igbo land are all
I think let me just continue. All right, let me continue. Anybody that wants to join will join. So please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. So as you can see on the title, the moment of the truth. The moment of the truth. That's what the title I have here. Okay. This broadcast will be different from our normal broadcast. I'm not going to play a lot of many things here. I have to get things out from my chest. Do you understand? Because I think it is right thing to do. I think it is good to call a spade a spade. Many of us know what is going on. Many of us know that something is wrong, but we don't know the source and how to tackle it. We don't know the genesis of it. We don't even know when things will be better. Yes, because we're not God, but sometimes you can predict something and it happen that way. We all know the problem going on in our land as we speak. This killing going on, buying people for fun. Master warned this years ago. Recently I started playing Master Meccano's past question and answer. I still have his broadcast. Okay, I can lay hands on that. Some of them, if not all, important one for that matter. 5 years ago, 6 years ago, broadcast is still intact. Even 7 years ago, in broadcast is still intact. But the thing is this: sometimes we don't have time to listen to key into the warning. Those things have warned about it. There's nothing going on now that have not happened before. Is it the sabotage indoor enemy, like inside in-house enemy who people who pretend to be with you, but they're actually not with you. We all know how some people who claim to be, be like you. They want freedom. They want to have Biafra. Nah. You know that kind of thing. But deep inside their mind, they have other things going on in their personal life. And when you actually expect them to do something, to say yes for the betterment of everybody, they will say no for their personal gain. It did not start there. It has been like that. And like I said, man can have this sharp warning years ago about everything going on now. Everything. Number one problem that we have is this in-house enemy. You see, those who claim they are with you, they are very, very noisy. They make you believe that everything is that Biafra will matter. Give them a small chance. They will cash out on your behalf. Honestly, they will cash out on your behalf. And that is the problem. That is a major, major problem. When Biafra, was trapped after the kingdom of Americano, everybody was like, it seems like the world has come to an end in terms of freedom and everything, and it's quite disgraceful that the Americano was kidnapped in that manner. It is not something that personally, like me, I'm not proud of that. I hate to discuss it because every sensible person will ask you, can you imagine how they kidnap Americano so cheaply? You understand? Very, very easy. Because of in-house enemy, unknown enemy. I played the Okenguru Agos voice note for a reason. This is a man that believes in Biafra, that makes you to believe in him, that he actually wants Biafra. Look at him today. Look at Maze PM, Samuel Ekpa. Oge could have made the whole thing look like PM greatest mistake is making him finance minister. Because it was that closeness that PM brought him in, let him have access to be the one in charge of finance. After making him resident agent, have triggered a lot of problem. Typical criminal-minded person. Because PM don't know him from Adam. We all know this. PM don't know him from day one. Like I know him 10 years ago. You know that kind of thing. No, not at all. But you have to work with people that is available. You have to work with what is available. Now he made him finance minister. He made him resident agent to sign the document and everything. The guy began to look to become PM 2.0. He want to be in leadership. He want to pilot everything. He have this high hope high expectation at detriment of people who are paying with the price. Because it is when you know the agony that our people are going through. I'm talking about people in homeland. I'm not talking about people in abroad paying money and their money being siphoned. No. I'm talking about people in homeland who don't even have access. That has used until now. Some of the people in our land still believe that the problem of Nigeria is bad governance, like they see it as bad governance. But they don't ask themselves, why bad governance? Who made it possible? What is that thing that is in Nigeria that no matter how good you are, once they give you chance to lead, you mess up? There's something behind it. And that is what is affecting everybody. You imagine you follow PM sincerely and you follow Master sincerely, like you know you learn something positive from them, but you are not ready to push yourself like to become a member of the cabinet. Or maybe probably the country that because of the environment where you are living, the country that you are residing, you cannot come out openly to do what you're supposed to do because you have that quality that the movement needs, which is Kechia Orege, manage what you have. Don't eye public funds. Many of us have that. Many of us are self-disciplined. Some of us are well trained by our parents. Ndị na-asọ ego ọra nsọ, ndị na-asọ ibu iji mmadụ ụgwọ nsọ, people that stand on that word, people that have integrity and their name, they want to maintain good name than words. That's what we are lacking. And those who are in the leadership or in the helm of affair don't have that quality. So you that actually have it, you have many reasons why you cannot participate the way you're supposed to participate. Once any gathering at all, that Biafrans our freedom, what is going on in our land is being discussed. You see these people, they'll come out in number. As mass, you know, watching. Some of us believed that truly what they're saying is from the depth of the heart, without knowing that their mouth, their words is totally different from their intention. That is why somebody will follow a leader like Master kind of PM for some time and make you as followers, normal follower and as a Biafran to believe that Biafra will matter. When the going get off, you see their true color. PM is not a prophet. He's not a prophet. But looking at the whole thing now, okay, can have made it look like one of his greatest mistakes is making him finance minister and resident agent. This our brother is an evil man. Okay, according to what they said, I don't know, maybe DNA would be so otherwise. But for now, his identity is by your beers evil person, right? And he speak Igbo. He believe in Biafra. He believe in freedom. He actually want to live and let live. He believe in PM. He believe in Mazamukan. He believe that our people are suffering. So where can you land the hand and say this guy could do this thing in future? Because you don't know him from Adam, like I said. But any slighted chance, they will do everything pretending that actually mean good. But when they go and get off, you now see that true color. The same thing applicable to kidnapping going on, buying people, because it is true that we have external invaders, people who have vowed to conquer your land, to conquer land by fire, by force. It is not mere prediction; it is reality. Masakano called for this. He warned about it. He went to Igbo Congress in US, begged them to contribute even $1 per person. Trust Igbo man. They carry their calculator, press it. $1 times 1 million. $1 million. Some of them that have done that, decide to calculate that kind of thing, they will be like, they were like, okay, there's money here. The best thing to push themselves up is to pretend as a follower of Master, dedicated follower. That will actually make Master to say, okay, Mas, you are even watching it. You are highly devoted. Morning you are here, afternoon you are here, night you are here, without knowing that the both were a plan. Once you give them the chance and the opportunity, the person is to make sure that they push you out of the way by every means necessary. If you are not in good time with your God, your life may go for it. Simply because you want to replace you. That doing that also, ignore the agony, the pain that our people are going through. Because no matter how you sabotage, no matter how you may look no matter how you look at it, people that always go pay the ultimate price for the wrongdoing of those who may be in name of affair are vulnerable people, common people. They are the one paying the price. Because some of them don't even know that when you hear, they're not even aware of Fulani plan. They're moving, once they break like that, they'll go to the daily business. Whatever that happened to them on the way, that is how it ends. And this is the reason why I titled it The Moment of Truth. That our people who refuse to know the problem happen to be one of the obstacles. You refuse to learn, you refuse to be informed, you don't want to believe that there's danger, there is problem. You want people to follow you, you want people to, you always play down this threat. Once somebody discuss about this, the problem. We have Chidubeme Emmanuel here. Tina, our sister, is here with us. Let me start from the beginning because I can see, I forgot to check on the comments. I can see many people are here already. Ivan Ike and Franco Konko, I think I said my greeting before. You have Jemima Wabani, and he said happy Sunday Mazi. Thank you. And we have who again? Shomo, and Ogwejo for Obaino. I see you. And we have Sunday Alo. I see you Sunday. And we have Christopher Chukwemeka. And who again? I think we still have more. Okay. Obade Estofa, I see you. And Oliver also is here with us. Adaiha, I see you. Tina, our own sister, I see you. Chidubem Emmanuel, you are here. Chika, Bobby, all of you in the comment section, I really appreciate you. Please make sure you like the video, all right? Because the owner of the platform, they are not pushing our video. Even me, I don't receive notification. Even me, I'm the owner of the channel, but I don't even receive. If I go live, I don't receive notification. So I can relate why it is quite poor. And John Abaleke, I see you, John. So these are people on the comment section. Okay, you're welcome, and make sure please you like the video. The truth of the matter is that until, hear me very well, I don't promote violence. I don't support criminality. In fact, why I'm saying this is for us to avert this excess claim. One thing you need to understand, because people that are actually committing these things are within, and they are very, 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 very slim, very, very little, very few people. One or two corrupt individuals can ransack the entire village. One, they don't have conscience. No matter how many cops you present, no matter how many cops that die, that have been murdered, or cops that these people sent to judgment because of maybe in a village because of the agenda. The people that actually perpetrating that, the enablers, they don't care. They don't care. So until you begin to do something for them to feel how it feel, we go nowhere. That is what Mazman always said, internal canon. You see that canon. That is why we are where we are today. I am trying to avoid, putting it away. Like, I don't want to be too blunt, but you understand what I'm talking about. Just that they put for from. But like I titled this video, the moment of truth. The moment of the truth. We no matter how political correct that you want to sound, you want to be too political correct or political correctness, you cannot avoid the fact that no matter how difficult it sounds to accept, we go nowhere as long as we still pampering this internal people. That is just raw truth. You may submit memo, write this one. You see internally they will, because just like you know how long it for some of us that grow up in village like I do. You know how the process of producing red oil from palm oil, from palm fruit. You have to climb the palm tree, cut it down, bring it down, and then split, remove it from the back cover and everything. Just remove the palm fruit separately and cook it until the thing is done. Then we begin to, for where I can start from, you understand what I'm talking about. Then separate the chaff, the oil, and begin to cook the oil and filter the oil and everything. A wicked person can, with one thing, just only one drop of kerosene inside that thing, the whole thing will spoil. Or maybe one kick, the whole thing will fall, right? That is exactly what these people are doing. Internal enemy. Their own is to fold hand. Watching you let plan, you do this, you organize conference, you organize meeting. They will fold hand like this, looking at you. They will keep quiet until you labor until you gather. They will just one snap like that, everything that you have worked for will disappear. How can you be confident to keep on working when the people that are ready to destroy it are beside you? How? If you tell them, even if you bring a video record and show them, look, you can see, this is this is that. They will end up telling you, no, okay, say me, you don't want okay, say me, just to enrich themselves. That's why I told you, even in their own village, if you have mass murder, like people that fight in their own village, if they bury them in a mass grave, a very big grave, and put almost 100 or 200 people there, bury them together, it moves them nothing. They don't move an inch. That is how wicked these people are. They are in woman form, they are in youth form, they are in elderly form, they are even in the churches. They are. As long as I have not touched their son and the relatives, everything must go down for them to enrich themselves. Yes, they miscalculate because everything they're doing, they can actually get it in a platter of gold. Why do the right thing at the right time? But they're looking for shortest way to get it done. Every now and then you labor, you gather, you call convention, you do this, you do that, you task people, you beg people to, you don't even sleep because you are leading your people just to make sure they have the sense of belonging, just to make sure that you let them see the light. Somebody, very lazy human being, who don't do anything, don't add any value in society, don't even contribute verbally. I'm not talking about financially. They just kept quiet, waiting for you to labor and tore yourself up and down, maybe years, they will turn around and add one virus like that, and the whole thing you have done will be for you go back to zero. Some people that actually believe in you, that they will they will die, you know, because of high BP, high blood pressure, and all that. They, do you know how they will judge you? They will justify that. They will tell you, you are the one that by yourself. How can you believe that idiot? Do you know who that will call an idiot? You that have labored all these years to free everybody. You abandon even your lifestyle, everything that you are doing. Their own is to make sure that they give you a bad name. That all this you have done, you are doing is nothing. To them, it's nothing. Then ask them, what are they doing? Nothing too. I send the videos of what happened in Around Zone to some people that actually in homeland. People that know me, like, we know each other for a very long time. He asked me, where is this? I said, in the Igbo land. He said, what part? I said, watch the videos first. He said, now wow. Hey, now wow. Hey, now wow. Okay. Hey, okay. But how are you now? How is family? How is he's not even deliberate on that video anymore. Just hey, now wow, hey, now wow. So how is then, and how is your place, and how is life, how is your family? I told him, look, I'm expecting you to react on this video. It is normal to many of them, very normal. You know, once you see a woman that they have buy that woman, you know, the one lying in cold blood, husband and wife. Now wow, hey, now wow, that's all. Just in 1 hour, call him again or her, tell her, I know this person is not alone. I know many of you can witness. Maybe you have your own experience. Hey, now wow. In one next one, I called the person and said, what do you think? How sure are you that this will not happen where you are now? So, hey boy, now God, now get life for her. Yeah. Now God will see us through. I'm a believer of God, I'm a Christian. I believe God will see us through. But you have to also do your little things. You understand? So, what do you think? Should we continue this way? Don't you think people should rise up and do something? So, boy, this place now, I will get nowhere bound. Okay. Are you in support of people that are way high here? No, you know, you got to report the police now. Send another video that required police, and police couldn't even go there. And at the end of the day, it will be revealed to them, or it is very clear to everybody that police actually never enable those who have committed that crime. Now, nothing more, nothing serious. And it's now becoming order of the day. Like, nobody cares. No, as long as you are exempted, as long as you are somehow free, you know, that kind of thing. For example, you know, I don't want to play much video on this live broadcast. The primary thing that the common thing I want you to capture from this live broadcast, like I said, I don't really bother myself about, you know, how we are running this program now, because honestly, my spirit is very, very, very angry. I won't lie to you. That's why I don't even plan to come to stream now. I was just lying down. The thing just, you know, my mind was like, why is it? Why is it like that? We can't even, you know, decide one thing and start on it. Somebody will just turn around from one corner. And the another part is that doing this sabotage, they will, you know, the preaching is very, very stubborn. Something that is very, very clear that you are the one supposed to stand here. You say, no, I'm standing here. Yeah, I stand here. I have right to stand. Okay, can you stand and keep quiet alone? No. I want to drag over to that. For how long are we going to continue this way? Now, watch this.
Good morning, this is Weke TV Foundation. Chinansa Nworu posted on his Facebook page that a village was allegedly accused of attacking herdsmen with their cows. Now, Nigerian soldiers went and collected cutlass only to raise down this corn.
Did you hear that? I don't know which year. I don't know if it's last month, but I don't really care when. All I can see here is Nigerian army cutting corn. Not herdsmen. No. Not herdsmen here. Look at them. Army. According to the video, they said it. What I'm seeing here is army. If they are not army, that lie should be live from them. But the video here is stated it very clear. Army cutting a corn farm. This is somebody's farm. I get a message. Do you understand? Do you understand what this means? That in this hard economy, if it happens now, no matter when it happens, you spend your time, your resources to farm corn or maize. Then something like this happened to that. What angered them to do this kind of thing? That thing that angered them can also, if they meet the owner of the farm, that spirit that pushing them to call it corn like this, will push them to use that cutlass on you, on that person, not you, God forbid. All right? You understand what I'm talking about? But when you ask some people who are from Isiwe Kendibo, they will tell you, no, it's Igbo people that are doing themselves. The problem is Igbos. Igbos are the one. They are the one. Like Soludo did few weeks ago, that entire Anambra state, Igbos are the one doing enter. Igbos are the one not committing forgery. No town is free of crime. We know that. No town. Said, I saw this on S. This video. Okay. No town, no city is crime free. No matter how you may paint it, you still have element of criminality going on. But the problem is, how do you handle it? How do you solve it? How? You see a neighbor person pretending to be with you. Look at what Isosha, for example, is doing. Just calm down and ask yourself question. Mama madu, newahi madu, kaja na kaja. She's more than 50 years. Of course, and you can't tell me that she's in her 40s. I don't doubt. The way I'm looking at her, it could be even 60 though. I don't know, but I can tell you that she's not in her 40s. Somebody's mother. Ọbata obie udakomili. Ọbata obie udenamo. Ọbata obie. Whichever I like it. Yes. Then that Ọbata obie is not here with us. Then you know the template and everything, like you said in the beginning after the convention. You are admitted that US is right. Everything. Simply because of your personal gain. She become bad woman, evil woman. She become this. She become that. As if that is not enough. You run away from her. Then next thing is that she's Hanamatua Abubakar. Even though you know that it's not true, yet she's Hanamatua Abubakar. You know, within your mind, you know. You insisted that she's what is not. We swallowed that one and kept quiet. You keep on pushing. PM called you. Now, after PM called you, what did PM tell you? PM said we should stop attacking each other. The attack should stop and fall back. The man that called you, none of these two things, you couldn't keep one of these two things. Yet you went and see him. You come back again, that no matter. Like it on the chaff. No, get with the red. Yes, yes. Now handle it. You keep on attacking leaders. You attack PM. You attacking the president. Even in one of her video, she bragged that now COS, if CS dared to bring fundraising on is it on Twitter on Zoom? I think on Twitter, not on YouTube. That's a way. Is it on offline like what they're doing now? She said no. This woman kicked against it. That if you dare stop streaming it, that did you know that that's the joy that reference see when they're seeing them on social media. The reference feels happy out of fear, or not fear, out of respect. They stopped that. That did not carry that for that moment. She will actually threaten that she will tear everything apart. She will tear everything down. I will break single-handed. I will single-handle. That was not how she normally said that. I will single-handle, bring it down. Open threat. Everybody keep quiet. Pascal, bro, say, Kai, what rubbish are you saying? Is this critical time you are sowing nonsense? What have that your government done? You come up with useless topic. I'm sorry for you. You are not man enough. Okay, Pascal, I am not man enough. Can I challenge you? Since you are man enough, this is the link. Come here as a man. I dare you to come. If you're man enough, follow this link. Let us talk. Let us talk. Since you're man enough, you can say I don't play much video here. If you say you're man enough, come here. I send you the link. Only you, just for you alone. Pascal bros. But if you are not, then you should be ashamed of yourself. you are calling me saying I'm not man enough. You that's man enough, I challenge you now as a man. As a man. Okoko, as a man. Follow this link, let's talk. So you even know that now is a critical time. What are you doing about the time? What are you doing about the time? People like you are that it is clear that Fulanis are not. Everything is Igbo. At the same time, even when this video
is finished,
this video is not hidden. It's in the public. Okay. Now this is Fulani people. Pascal, I'm still waiting for you. You can't. Probably you are somebody's father. You are the people that we're talking about here. People who want to make you believe that they are for you. You are not even for yourself, let alone be for somebody. You use the word man. Look at you. You come up with useless topic. But you can't follow the link. As a man, if you say you have 3 legs, you know what I mean by 3 legs. You go know if you bunagaraga as a man. Follow the link and come here. Let us iron it out. So now, who is a man and who is a woman? You can't even have you appear in any platform at all with your face. You're not a man. These are the problem. You see it now? Upon everything I'm saying here, the only thing this guy could come up with is this. What is your government have done? All this one. Now, your own government have done what then? Yes, say what is happening in your country and how to defend Biafra. Stop deceiving Biafrans. All of you following your Fulani woman. You know, I told you, we have a lot of problem. Honestly, that's why I attacked the video moment of the truth. We have a very serious problem. It doesn't matter who is leading. It doesn't matter how the person is leading. It doesn't matter anything until we begin to animate this thing and have a method of handling it. As long as we keep on massaging this kind of people. Ngozi Orabeze is honest, sincere, and hardworking to bring independence of Biafra. John, I hear you. Ngozi Orabeze is okay. That's John. Have more important thing to do. I cannot have your time. When your time comes, you will know who I am. Bye. Oh, good evening, Malone. Threatened. In a threat no more. But you may garden before the time threatening again. As long as I'm here, without having anything, not saying anything in my mind, to deceive anybody, to manipulate anything, okay, or to make you know, or that I know that this thing is wrong, I pretend to you that it is right. Do you understand what I mean? Like, I know that Ngozi Orabeze is a Fulani woman. She's Nigerian agent, and she paid me money to lie to you. If that is the case, then whatever you're saying will stand. But if not, you making an attempt or not saying anything against me, you are marking at your end because you are making use of road. Asking an even nego. If you are attacking other people or threatening other people, because my mind and my spirit, my body and my soul is not for this nonsense you are talking about. If you don't feel pain of what is going on in our land, because some of you actually feel pain, only on your lips, you just talk it for talking sake, but like a politician, celebrating and using people's life to buy favor, so that people will say, hey, Mazi is talking about us. That is not the issue. How can we talk about the security decline going on in our land while having somebody like you beside us? It's uncalled for. Brain you don't have. Mind you don't have. Courageousness you don't have. You don't know anything about any iota of truth. You don't have. Yet, you want to tell other people how to become courageous. Now, you don't have my time, but you have my time of conversation. Can you see how stupid and how senseless that sound? I don't know who you are. I never for once communicate with you. This is my platform. You come here and you have my time on conversation, but you don't have time to follow the link. You see how senseless you are. I don't intend to share link, and therefore I'm going to pull it down. I'm going to pull my link down. The reason is because we are not here for that. Okay? I'm not here for to welcome people and all that. If anybody want to join me, can join me. If you don't have access to the link, you ask for it, I will send it to you. But not that I'm sending the link because I want people to join me now and all that. No. Okay, if you want to join me, you can join me, but not for this kind of people. Pascal, you have actually disgraced yourself. We'll see when the time comes. Before that evil time that you're planning, you are not going to live to see the time. As long as we are doer of evil, Your own is to take people's life and threaten people. Before you threaten, before you lost in your mind, enunana gawa abagog. Aja ni bagabagog. Okay? The spirit of those that are being paid for nothing. Hagabagog. Everybody is man don't call the girl. Because I know you, some of you, there are many of you hiding, pretending to be something you are not. Imagine people who Fulanis are buying them, invading their homes. In Magana, even if Fulanis have not buying anybody in Igbo land, seeing what is seeing what is going on in what's the name Benue is enough for you to readjust, to tighten yourself. Not only when they're already in your land, yet you cannot be good. I go one and I go two. Oh God. Anyway, many of us understand this problem, that Nigerian government and Igbo politicians, they are using federal allocation, federal money to destabilize Igbo youth. That is why you see somebody who claimed that he's a man on ground, all of a sudden fighting against men on ground. From become men on ground to enemy of men on ground. Ijowa. Or if you're going to Buddha. Now, Ike Gurago said that no Fulani, this is all about Igbo. Igbo, right?
So,
See.
now bandits, man, see, so now money, now that they share, now see say bondo. Now bank they for carry this money come out. When they give bandits, now see bandit for Nigeria, now that they share money, see bondo. Nobody they talk anything. No be bank, this money for come out. Who go give bandit this money? My people, Nigeria is finished. My people, now the matter, where they be this so let me see bandits. See them. See a go.
Did you see any of them wearing masks? Their faces, and they're inside Nigeria. You don't track them, they don't do anything. But you, just that you are, Biafra will come in a look. And to it is normal. If I don't blame you, because we have a lot of people. Look at what this one is saying here. Threatening people. You understand that? But they don't threaten bandits. They don't threaten Fulani. You see, when somebody who claimed that he's fighting for Biafra opened his mouth and said, COS and USB are banned from entering Biafra land. They are banned from entering Biafra land. And to you, it is normal. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Right? It doesn't matter. It does matter. Whether you like it or not, it matters a lot. Anyway, I just want us to. Somebody said Ngozi Orebeze is the mother of Biafra. So my people, everything it matters a lot. So if you think that you can, maybe some of you have maybe alternative, it's understandable. But vulnerable Biafrans don't have. Many people in Biafra land don't have. The recent buying that took place in Arondisog, a husband and a wife. Then yet Igbo people no, it is normal, no problem. Until you begin to understand that it's not normal, nothing can be achieved. Like I said, having these desperate people never do well people to, in your midst is not a good thing at all. It's not a good sign. Because they are meant for destruction. They don't represent anything good. They don't.
Now see them, totally unbelievable. See them, now see them, see money, see money. Who are the people sponsoring these bandits? Make una tell us, we don't understand.
Who they sponsoring this bandit? Nobody is being questioned about their source of income. No arrest, nothing. And it's not as if Western world don't know this. They do. But as long as it does not affect oil, anything, they're okay. They're okay, they kept quiet. Meaning that not for you, it's not about you. Okay, it's not about you. The only thing that matters is, your land. Everything about Igbo land, they are coming after everything. Coming after it every day. Nigeria is a joke. Bless you. From bank, they don't track anybody. Nothing. Who their sponsor, don't talk about it. Just pray that one day it will be better. Next thing, they will bring this their youth, because if they lack maybe dominance in army, they will call the repentant they will go around. But if you are from the south, if they catch you, judgment. It's not that even that number. Dave and my brother guy, good morning. Bless you from Ikejosan. I don't understand your message. I won't lie. I don't get it. Hey, good John. The fall down of fallback group of liars is an example of enemy of Biafra before we fall down. I don't get it either. So I just want to share this quickly with us. Like I told you, I'm not going to waste much time. Just have in mind that the enemy within is the main key problem. That's why I started with the moment of truth. They are the main problem indeed. Serious one, because everything going on, they have to consider, right? Anybody that praying for one Nigerian, that person is a demon himself. Thank you, my brother. So my boy, I'm gonna end it here. All right, I'm gonna end it here. Like I said, I just want to get it out of my mind. I do not even plan to swim now. Happy Sunday, Mazaka. Thank you, Priscilla, and I see you. And Blessing Duke, who said, okay, yeah, that is a joke. So before you go, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Know this and know peace. Do not do something because others are doing. Not because maybe you see that somebody is making money by sabotaging. Sometimes they baptize this sabotage. This sabotage, they will tell you that it's just a friend. Why mingling up with people that are leaking information to another, and to you is a friend. So let us be careful. Be careful. Or just invest. I see you. Please make sure you like the video before you go, and God bless you. Take care of yourself, and bye bye for now.